Going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a pretty useful product I'm gonna be showing you all, especially the ones who like running up on curbs, you know, letting your girl drive your car, getting wheel rash. I think I got a pretty useful product for you, so stay tuned. So I still currently have 2023 Tesla Model 3 Performance. As you know, we got the skinny tires with the 20-inch Uberturbines. Got the Pirelli 235, 35, 20 summer performance tires. As you know, they're notorious for curb rash. You know, pretty much the wheel is gonna hit anything before the tire and you're gonna scuff your rims up. For the most part, I've did pretty good, but I'll show you a few scuffs I got here. Like ones like this right here, I actually didn't even specifically hit anything. This is just, you know, basically from merging onto the road, you know, onto like a concrete where it gets a little bit higher. That's all it takes is to rub your wheel right here. That's actually not even a straight up curb. That's just transitioning from, you know, flat surface to a slightly barely higher surface. That's all it takes to curve these wheels. Let's see what else. Looks like I did pretty good on that one. See, I got a little bit more right here. So for the most part, you know, I did pretty good, but I see a lot of other 3s and Ys. People have destroyed their wheels. So here's the product. Name of the company that sent me this product is called Evbase. They sell a whole bunch of Tesla products and accessories. Definitely make sure you check them out. This is the wheel protector kit for the 20-inch Uberturbines. You know, if you order these, you have a Y, make sure you get the 21s. If you got the 3, obviously you'd be looking at the 20s. But you could check these out on evbase.com. They're called the Tesla rim protectors. They got these for several different Teslas, but obviously the Uberturbines are gonna be for the Model 3s, Model Ys. Like I said, Model Ys is 21s, Model 3s is the 20s. You can see here the product's pretty straightforward. You know, it looks the same all the way around. If you notice right here, you have a little cutout for your air valve. You can see the color matches perfectly to your Uberturbines. So if we could put one of these on, see what it looks like. Here's what the instructions look like. Basically just have to take this, put it around the back of the protector, you know, so you don't scratch your wheels. And if for some reason it's not sitting good, then you would go and add this tape here. So let's see what that looks like. I actually won't be using the tape unless I have to. Just be using the cushion. So as you can see, I'm just coming around with the protective cushion. I'm gonna come all the way around the protector with that. I'll be ready to snap it on the car. As you can see, we got our foam wrapped all the way around it. I don't know how good you can see it there. Now I just gotta press it onto the car. And then, just wanna find that air valve section, which is here. That obviously is gonna go where your air valve is here. Here, you just press it on. Some of these take a little bit of force to get on there. So I have to bend and work with it a little bit. But you'll hear a little click on each section here. Once you got it on there though, your wheel is totally protected from running up on curbs, running into whatever you're running into. I see some of them other Uberturbines, y'all are definitely running into something. You know, check these out, you're gonna be totally protected. That's how it fits around the air valve. The little lip here actually has to go. It clicks in to the part of the wheel there. Put it into the curb rash and stop getting stuff like this right here. Much rather have a little cheap piece of plastic to fix than have an expensive wheel to fix. So yeah, make sure you check my link in the description for 20% off of these on Evbase. If you have a Y or a 3 with the rim curb prone Uberturbines, you know, this is a quick, simple way to protect your wheels. So make sure you use code t.lee films for 20% off on Evbase. And yeah, you can put an end to the curb rash. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one.